I'm going to do as rapid fire as rapid can be. Quick evening makeup routine. Let's start with that base. Saie Beauty slip cover and then a Saie Beauty liquid bronzer. Mix those babies up. It's such a great day, such a great trip. I'm so glad I came and thankful that I had a work opportunity to bring me here in Miami. And it's always so nice when a work trip for Noah and I can also double as like just having some time together. I feel like we needed this. I feel like I need a little more on the left cheek. Okay, Jordan and team who's editing these vlogs, when it's just like a long process of blending a product like this, you can speed it up when I'm done talking. Because I can talk, and I blend. I'm a blender. Okay, now sponge it out. Okay, now to bring down all the shine, love this RMS loose powder. Tap it in there to get a good amount, and then especially in the T-zone, I find pressing it in is better, keeps the shine down. I get really shiny in the T-zone, and I don't love powder, but I swear this helps mattify the skin without like making you look cakey. I forgot my bronzer that I bought in the pharmacy. How did I forget my bronzer? One more process of bringing down the shine. I took my earrings off because I think sometimes when you have earrings in, it gets in the way of like a full blend into the ear and down the neck. This is how I feel about going out tonight. Watch out, watch out. Miami? There's just something about Miami, like brings the heat. I don't know, it's a vibey city. I don't know if I could live here. I actually thought about it the last time I was here. I was like, maybe I could, but I just love New York. But I do like it here. I like coming here a lot. One day I'll own something here, calling that into the universe. Speak the things you want and you desire into existence because they will happen. Okay, hold on a second. I need to get my bronzer I just bought. I love a little setting spray too after like the process of the powders. So then it's not too mattifying. Okay, we're gonna use this highlighter, this Ilia. Bring a little more highlight under the brow, top of the cheekbone. I brought my cream bronzing stick. This is from Persona. How did I forget my RMS bronzer? The pinch of the big brush is how you really get that perfect contour. Okay, looking bronzy. Let's try this product that I bought today that I've never used before, but listen, do what you gotta do. Test it out. Plus in Miami, you're just like naturally more shiny here. You know what? This isn't bad, L'Oreal. It's definitely not non-toxic, but once in a while. I prefer my products like I like my people. Non-toxic, baby. I think it was my friend Alice Panikian who said that. It's the best line. Oh yeah, oh wow, I bronzed. I also got a lot of sun from teaching my class outside. But I had my sunscreen on, but I definitely got some sun. Use a big blending brush. Bronzer's not bad. Tower 28, love this blush, and this is Beach Please. I also forgot my eyeliner, so I've been using my cream brow color. Babe, I want you Na na. I have no idea why I have that song in my head. We'll be right there. Go with this Goldie. I'm obsessed with this palette. This Ilia Warm Nude palette. It's very hard to do your makeup while looking in the phone. I'm taking that dark brown in the crease very gently and blending it up over the crease. Little on the lash line. Take a break from the eyes to the brow. I think one of the biggest game changers on the face is when you color your brow. It's crazy. Up and personal. I mean, you can literally like see my nose hair, but it's fine. Oh, the shadow. Need to blend. Feather it in, feather up. This is pretty fast. Look at the difference. Hello. Not bad. Use what you have available to you. Go over that with a little bit dark. Just to smoke it out a little bit more. Alright, I'm gonna curl my hair up because at least if I have to do my mascara in the car, I can. No, you know what? We're gonna do the mascara now. And my lip. Love this lip liner. I don't want to tell you what it is. It's very hard to get. Okay, I'll tell you. Can't be gatekeeping. This is Almond from Persona. So good. It's a gentle over lip line. Not too drastic, just a little. Best color. Oh, I love it. Touch, 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 touch. This is Say. Blend that in. You know what else I need to do? Brush my teeth. Favorite. Toothbrush first, and then the Pro Gel 5000, thanks to Dr. Bridget. Best dentist. My gums have never been better. I used to bleed all the time. I love these moon strips because they dissolve. Let's do those lashes. I'm going to use this RMS Beauty. This is straight up mascara. And then I am going to go over it with another one. This just kind of makes them feathery. Let that dry like a little bit. Then I come in with the Ilia Limitless Lash, and then I pull them out. I love doing my own hair and makeup. I just have to say, it's such a treat to do it for an event or carpet. I even do my own makeup for a lot of carpets, but I think it's just a skill to learn so that you can just like always depend on yourself. I love getting my makeup done by amazing artists, but I also just enjoy this time myself getting ready. I'm so sensitive to people's energy, so like very selective when it comes to artists that I like to work with. I already brushed, I already dried my hair, which I usually don't. It's been working out really nicely here. I don't know if it's the water, the humidity, but I'm such an air dryer. I love to air dry my hair, and I think that it just makes your hair healthier to not dry it every single time. When they're damp, I look down and pinch them up, hold for about 10 seconds. And I use curlers. Is Chrissy here? I'll be shocked if she is, because she had to wash and dry her hair, and her hair is the longest hair I've ever seen in my life. It's just, her hair is insane. I love my hair too. I have good hair. I take really good care of my hair, and I have to say, Nutrafol really has done wonders for my hair. And my Actinaker shampoo, those are two of my hair secrets. Also, having good gut health. I think my hair is better now than it was in my 20s. I'm like, I've always had a good head of hair, but it's like healthier. usually the opposite of what happens. So I think you can have great hair health as you get older. You can see that I curl away from the face. Done. One more curl. I'm gonna do the outfit. But like that's a pretty standard evening makeup routine for me. And then I go in with a little bit more blush at the end because I just feel like you can never have too much blush, you know? Okay, I'll come back with the outfit video.